Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to check returns on AliExpress. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to check returns on AliExpress. The first thing you need to do is to open your web browser and go to aliexpress.com. Click on Sign In the upper right corner and enter your credentials. After logging in, click on your profile icon or your name at the top right corner of your screen. You're going to see a couple of options displayed in the drop-down menu. From these options, you will see My Other, My Coins, Message Center, all the way down to Accessibility. Now go ahead and click on My Others. Once you click on My Others, it's going to open up a window where you have all your orders organized. So right now, I do not have orders organized, and I initiated a process to create a seller account. So that's why it just keeps taking me over here. But if you do not have that set up, then all your orders are definitely going to be organized in one single page, which is here. Now scroll through your orders to find the one for which you initiated a return. You can use a search bar for quicker access if you want to, that if your orders are quite a lot. Then click on the View Details button next to the relevant order. Look for the section related to returns or refund. Now, these may be labeled as return status or similar. Here, you can see the status of your return request, including whether the return has been accepted or the tracking information you've returned, or the tracking information if you've returned the item, and of course, the estimated time for the refund process. Also, if you have any questions or issues regarding your return, you can contact AliExpress customer service. Look for the help center or customer service link at the bottom of the page for support options. I'd like you to know the return policies may vary depending on the seller, so make sure to check the specific return policy for your order. Then keep an eye on the return deadlines to ensure your request is processed within the allowed time frame. Now, do not forget the process. Click on My Orders and it's going to take you to your orders page. Click on View Details button next to the relevant order. Look for the section related to returns or funds. It may be labeled as return status or similar. Now here you can see the status of your return request, including whether the return has been accepted, the tracking information if you returned the item, and estimated time for the refund process. Now, if you have any questions or issues regarding your return, you can contact AliExpress customer service. You should know that return policies may vary depending on the seller, so make sure to check the specific return policy for your order. Keep an eye on the return deadlines to ensure your request is processed within the allowed time frame. And AliExpress is definitely going to respond to you. That's pretty much the process. So, by following these steps, you can easily check the status of your returns on AliExpress. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.